All right, here we are at 3621 North Clearwater Lane in Brookhaven, and take that in. Definitely want to start with the best parts of this house, and you're looking at it. So that yard is massive to the right as we fly by, and there's actually a pretty good buffer on the left and a sizable backyard as well. So offers up a lot of potential, assuming you do your due diligence for any additional structures or an additional garage. Just, always do your own due diligence. But there it is. That is that large triangular plot. And again, I think there's a world of possibility with that. And if not, just a buffer, because you really do have a lot of space for a garden. And flying around in the circular pattern, you can see it too. It's just a lot of land for this part of Delco. So there we go. We're actually going to show you the ball fields that aren't too far away. You can see the river there and the bridge, the Commodore Barry Bridge, and that's it. So see more of that yard. And in general, inside this house, we have 3 bedrooms, technically 4 bedrooms, but you'll see. And we have 1.5 baths and a basement that, in my opinion, is quite finishable. And right down the street, technically right to the right, we had that listing before. And you can really do a lot with this kitchen and the basement to really make the house much larger or feel much larger than the footprint. So there we go. We're just going to fly back, show you that beautiful front of the house, and then we're going to do the boots on the ground tour. Here we go.
All right, 3621 North Clearwater, and we gotta show you this one. So this is the boots on the ground, then we'll go inside. So big rancher here. And just wanted to jump in and show you the 3D Matterport so you can see the kitchen. You'll see the whole layout of the house. So it is quite massive inside, especially when you take in the lower floor. And that's it. Now we're gonna get you back to the boots on the ground. The basement is massive as well. But the number one thing I want to point out right now that I'm going to show you is this lot. It's on a very large triangular lot. So you have some land here and you have some land in the backyard. Then it keeps going. So again, lots of options. Check with the township, do your own due diligence, but an auxiliary structure or something is the route I would personally go if the township approves it.
So there is a shed. We have a brand new roof here. Somewhat newer HVAC. I'll give you the details. We'll take that in. So I'll spin you around to get your bearings. The drone footage helps, but this is a big backyard. Then you have a massive side yard. So I'll take you here in the shade. Hopefully that'll help with the sun. And there you go. That is beautiful. Now the bonus is plenty of space there. Possibly could even add on to get a 2-car garage, fill it in. And this goes, we're going to jog. We don't want to make this video too long. But this goes all the way down here. So look at that. Somewhere there, we'll get the exact measurements. But that is a massive side yard. There we go. We'll take you in the front. And again, this is very, very long. So look at the drone shots to see, but it is a very long and big triangular plot. So here we go. A 1-car garage. Actually, I think I'll open it right now just for fun. I've not opened it yet.
You can see that. So it is being used for storage. And there's overhead space. Oh, wow. Plenty of space. And up there, too, bonus storage. So there you are. We'll bring that down and get you in. I'll take you right up front here. There we go. So we'll head in. We asked everyone to take their shoes off for showings too. I'm gonna take mine off right here. And here we are. Into the living room. Big bow window, recessed lighting. And look at that. And I'll show you one that we actually had listed down the street. Possible kitchen renovation there if you want to change it. And I have the pictures for that. And 3 bedrooms. 1, 2, 3. So here you are. Underneath of all of these are the original hardwoods. So I believe I can pull up this corner and just show you. So there you go. So that should be throughout. I did just pull up that corner. I did it before, but it really should run the whole, the whole length here. So there you go. The other bedroom, pull you around. So good size, newer windows, brand new roof on this one. Might have said that a few times by now. Bathroom is clean and simple. There you are. So updated hardware on there. Okay. And then you have 2 closets here. So just nice. One's a coat closet. One could be a linen closet. And perfect. Just like I said, coat closet, linen closet. We'll get the angle here. Spin you around. So into the dining area, I'd say, and then into the kitchen. So there you are. So updated kitchen, white appliances. see what we have going on. So a true eating kitchen, by the way, with that table. And I'll pull you into this corner so you can start to visualize this space. Perfectly adequate as is. Many people open that up. And then you have an open concept, you know, a little bar area hanging over here. And I will add pictures of that, I believe, just to show you the example. So that is the first floor. We're gonna venture down here, just to let you know. Here is the outside, back entrance. So patio area, did not talk about it before. Nice, and that open backyard. Really, really nice. And then we have the basement, which again, I have pictures of one that is fully finished, and there is a lot of square footage down here. So I can show you many different ways to set this up. You can keep it open. This is a little bit more compartmentalized, but adequate ceilings, light. Over there we have a half bathroom. So I'll take you there, spin you in, half bathroom. So again, if you want to expand, maybe a shower, obviously do your own due diligence, but pretty big closet here, and it wraps around and goes under the steps if you want to squirrel some stuff away. It's always good to have more storage. Then we'll take you back here. So here is the pseudo fourth bedroom. I'm calling it that, you know. There you are. So it fits a bedroom, little closet there, and this would be a closet as well. So that's how it is situated currently. Then we have the utilities and the laundry room. So newer water heater, somewhat newer HVAC. We'll get you the details. Big, massive room here. It's kind of nice too because you essentially have a walkout. Right here is the back door.